What up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy Gangsta Ace from the USBOBOA, United States Band of Brothers of America. We are out here doing our thing. We moved, so we're not in Lansing no more. Enjoying the peace and quiet, actually, where we live at. But doing what we are doing, trying to get things trying to get some money so we can get out there and do stuff. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're still trying to wait and see what it brings. We try to help out people as much as we can, so we're out here still. The number's still the same, 760-335-6984. Or you guys can go to the email, usboboa@gmail.com. That number again, 760-335-6984. Or you guys can go to the United States Band of Brothers email, usboboa@gmail.com. Holla at your boy on 24 hours, so hit your boy up. I'll be waiting on you.